Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. There is a big question, is management is an art or science? That whether it is an art, how it become a science? If management is a science, then how it become an art? Here we understand that the management concepts, it combines the features of both science as well as an art. It is considered as a science because it has an organized body of knowledge which contains certain universal truth. It is so called science. If it considered as an art because managing requires certain skills which are personal possession of a managers. You clearly understand this. Science provides the knowledge, but the arts deals with the application of knowledge and skills. Art helps to apply the knowledge and skill to trying about desired results. It may be defined as a personalized application of general theoretical principles to achieve the possible results. For example, to become a good painter, the person may not only be knowing different color and brushes, he has some creativity in that. It is very much related to the personal skill and creativity. These things we called as cognitive skills. It related to our thinking process. On the other hand, science. It is a systematic body of knowledge pertaining to a specific field of study that contains general facts which explains a phenomenon. For example, if we take law of gravity which can be applied in all countries irrespective of time, management also contains some fundamental principles which can be universally applied, like that unity of command, principles that applicable to all type of organizations. It may be a business or non-business units. Science mostly related to experimentation and observation. The same way, in management concepts, mostly experimented and observed through various researchers. Let me explain in deeper way how the management is an art. There are some elements are there. In management concept, it is mostly regarded these elements like practical knowledge, creativity, personal skills, experience make them perfect. It is mostly a goal oriented things. These elements make the management is an art. These elements helps to understand the management is an art. Likewise, there are some elements in that management we considered that elements make this management as a science, such as concepts, methods, principles, various theories. These all things combined in an organized way, organized knowledge, experimentation, observation, universal concepts. These things make this management into a science. Management as a science. So, the management combines both the elements of arts and science. So, we understand that through this evolution of human, we know about the knowledge by the way of science and utilize that knowledge into a practical way in the way of arts. So, this management is a combination of art and science. We try to understand the knowledge and we try to implement the knowledge into a practical way. So, the management is considered as a both arts as well as science. Thank you. In our video, we always try to learn some Tirukural related to management concepts. Famous Tamil poet Thiruvalluvar says that in Tamil, எல்லார்க்கும் எல்லாம் நிகழ்பவை எஞ்ஞான்றும் வல்லறிதல் வேந்தன் தொழில். In this Tirukural, he explains that one of the best quality of leadership, how the king should be. The king should know every possibility, everything around him. Thank you.